This is an original FASCO fixture. The globe is not original, but I think it looks good on this fan. It's a very odd globe. Here. I have a thing with white fans with the globes, specifically Schoolhouse. You'll notice that down rod and ball is not original. The original down rod and canopy are right there. They won't fit, or I can't get it up on that bracket when they're on the fan. And of course we're going to have focusing issues. Man, I really do apologize with these focusing issues. I really need to get a better camera. Or better yet, just get a new phone and use my phone for videos from now on. I'll think of something. Maybe going to high will make it better. If I recall correctly, this fan is from 1984. Same with my brown one. They both came from Spencer. The brown one didn't come with any sort of cap or light fixture, so I threw that on. That was actually a later imported FASCO fixture. This one is appropriate for the era. Both did not come with glass or mounting brackets. Glass is easy enough. Mounting brackets are going to be a bit of a challenge.